7, 8?
Yeah.
I would say the same.
What you got in there, fries? Huh? What you got in there, some french fries?
Nah, bro.
Damn,
like
bro, it's fucking kind of bold out here. But you know, fucking VVS is on me and they shine like hard and fucking nigga. Know that shit. We don't want to fucking Apollo, man. We're gonna strip.
Dude, that's what I'm trying to find out.
I want chicken and rice and beans.
Come on, whatever, man. You know we $50 in St. Paulo, man. We gotta go to the store, we gotta rock this shit out. You know, man. We got Springer, big body shit, man. You know how we live, man. You know how we bum every time we buy, every time we stack, nigga. VVS on me, that shit shining hard as fuck, nigga. I swear to God. That shit. For my name, Gwaluh and Fluhkunxhkos, man. They on the way. They on the way. We $50 St. Paulo, nigga. In Brazil, nigga.
Yo.
Slime?
This it? Fuck, bumming in the blazer. All that gang shit, we in there. Big body, we gonna pull up on your bitch, nigga. We in big body, we gonna pull up on your bitch.
Let's go.
Shit, look, man, we going to the show. I ain't even change my fit. It's really fucking. I'm gonna just perform like this. Thank you. Thank you. What that bottle at? Hey, I'm gonna have to order some food when I get to the venue because I'm hungry.
Dude, I just got me some fucking
cabeça.
Hey, I wanted to go to
Crucial is at the gas station.
I don't want to eat gas station food. I want real food, nigga, like a burger or something. I'm gonna just order it to the venue. I'm gonna just order McDonald's to the venue.
Does it work? Have you tried it?
Let's go.
They don't have Uber Eats here.
They don't?
No.
Swear to God.
Entrei, vamos aí, negão.
Vai
aí, com essa van aberta, fica esses bancos vermelhos.
Hey, let's take a picture.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, we take it. Hey, we 50 up, man. I swear to God.
Bora.
Tirar uma foto nós dois aqui. Dali, por favor.
Nós tira lá na saída.
Não, daqui, ó. Aqui, ó.
Nós tira lá na saída.
Hey, go. Where Crucial at?
He's at the gas station.
All right, bet. Hey, make sure this car don't pull off without guns.
Na saída, o Morto vai tirar várias essa saída da van. Confia em mim, pô. Bora aí, cadê? Todo mundo entrando na van.
I want to send some.
Let me get by. Let me get by.
What?
Let me get by.
E ele entrando e sentando ali, alguém fala. Sacanagem pura.
Yeah, niggas gotta goddamn pack up this motherfucker with.
Quer passar aqui, irmão?
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna, fuck it. I'm gonna just post back for you, bro. Fuck this shit. We fit it out and we spend it, man. Hey, bro, I still gotta go to the crib and change my fit before I perform, though. Yeah. We've been out all day. Put his curtains back.
Open door. No have window.
No lock door. No closed window.